Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this velocity swing effect on CapCut. So you're just going to select your video and you're going to select style, and you're going to add auto velocity, and you're just going to wait for it to generate. And once it's done generating, this is going to take a few seconds because the duration of the video was quite long. But I'm just going to be showing you guys like how to add in the swaying motion in just like a small part of the video, so the video won't take long. So first of all, I am going to split it between the velocity parts, like here, 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 here. So you're just going to do that for every beat. So here, 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 oops, here, and here. You are then going to select the videos, go to animation, go to in, and you're going to choose the where is it? Swing bottom. And you're going to set it to be around 0.2 seconds, and you're going to add it to all of your videos. So animation, in, and swing bottom, and you're just going to keep on doing that. Where is it? And it should look something like this. Oh, I forgot to adjust the duration of the animation, so I'm just going to do that first. And it will look something like that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!